Oh, oh my God. Did you see that? That was huge. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh my. I got him again. Yeah. Oh, there's a fish. First fish of the day. Oh yeah. On the reel in. Oh, get up here. Ah, first fish of the day, not a bad one. Come here. Whew. First fish of the day, man. Thank you. All right, buddy. See you later. Off she goes. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh my God. Did you see that? That was huge. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh my. I got him again. Yeah. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. That's a big fish. Get up here. Look at that fish. Oh my goodness. Look at that fish right there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, baby. Look at that fish. Yeah, look at that. Oh. Guys, check that out. That is a 5-pounder right there all day. What did you say? How much do you think this thing weighs?
3,100.
3,100 pounds. You guys heard it first, man.
78.
This thing is huge, right? Look at that fish.
How long it is, man.
Oh, man. I'm gonna go and revive him real quick, get some shots of him. Oh. Check that fish out, guys. Woo! Beautiful 5.5-pounder. I do. You said what? I am, yeah. Guys, look at that fish. Absolute stud. Whoo! You had one, right? Aim at me. Right? Perfect. Thank you. Thanks so much, man. All right, we're gonna go and let this 5-pounder go. I will see. Yeah, maybe. You ready? All right, here we go. Bye-bye. That way. Go get it. Okay. I finally found some time. I finally found some time for myself to calm down after that insane day of fishing. I told you guys I was gonna be pond hopping about 3 or 4 ponds. That was not the case. I'm out of breath. That second pond did me absolute wonders. I caught like a 6-pounder PB bass. I'm pretty sure that was my personal best. I'm gonna say it was 6 pounds. I haven't looked back at the footage, so I don't know quite for sure, but haven't seen anything. I hope I got something decent out of this. I wasn't really able to tell. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna make this, whether I'm gonna make it an actual video, a fishing moments video, whatever it is. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Tomorrow I'll probably be going catfishing. I'm not sure yet, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is absolutely insane. Not what I was expecting. I can't even talk. Not what I was expecting today. I just kind of expected to come out here and maybe catch 1 or 2, 2-pounders or so. But a fish like that out of a pond like that, it's really incredible. But yeah, I'm signing out right now. Catch you guys in the next video, which will probably be a catfishing video. I might do another bass video, but spring is finally upon us. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed whatever I got out of this. And as always, capture moments, create memories.